1, 2.
Check 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yep, we're rolling.
We're rolling. Hello everybody, on this episode of Beyond the Bottle, we are talking about SomaNight usage instructions and why you use the product that way. This product is incredible. It is built with ultra premium 3 different types of collagen. What that is basically a full spectrum collagen supplement to ensure that your body can achieve the results that you want. Now this Tri-Collagen Nano Peptide Matrix is microencapsulated to enhance absorption, but not just that, this is a supplement you take before you go to bed. A lot of collagens you take in the morning when you wake up or take sometime during the day, but this product is designed with key ingredients to help relax your body, help you get in a state where you can fall asleep and stay asleep, allowing your body to recover better. Now, when you do that, you wake up feeling more rejuvenated and ready to take on your day. Now, with this product, we tell you to use 5 days on, 2 days off. And what that allows your body to do is achieve hormone homeostasis. This is a point where your hormones are balanced. You don't want to be revving up your hormones and changing that balance every minute of every day. It allows your body to not get too used to the product so that you can keep achieving those incredible benefits that I know you are going to know and love.